good afternoon, boys and girls, and trainers of all ages and shapes and sizes. Today we are looking at a Cynthia's Garchomp EX Premium Collection. Here at Hey Wanna Play Games. It's gonna get a little loud. Cynthia and Garchomp. There may be more iconic duos in all of Pokemon kind, Jesse and James, Ash and Pikachu. Professor Sada and Professor Turo. But there's probably one more dangerous in battle duo than Cynthia and her Garchomp. Sinnoh champion. Go ahead, name me a more iconic battling duo in the comments. All right. Cynthia and Garchomp bring the strength of a champion. Ooh boy, yeah, they do. Champion the Sinnoh region, Cynthia is one of the strongest Pokemon trainers in the world. Arguably the, except for maybe red and gold and silver. Garchomp's been by her side since the very beginning. The power of their friendship, this collection of foil promo cards for Cynthia's Garchomp EX's attacks do big damage and help you draw cards. Foil cards for Gibble and Gabite, cool sticker and standees to play, and more Pokemon inside booster packs. Okay, this includes foil art promo card featuring Cynthia's Garchomp EX, 2 foil cards featuring Gibble and Gabite, sheet of acrylic standees featuring Cynthia, Garchomp, and more. Double-sided backdrop display, photo sticker, booster packs, and the obligatory code card. That's what the sticker looks like. These are what the standees look like. Anyway, I'm just gonna open up the box and open up the packs in this set. Okay, let's see. Here we are. Cynthia's Gibble. 70 hit points, 20 single fighting, 20 not affected by resistance, not bad. Cynthia's Gabite. One time, very nice ability. Once during your turn, you can search your deck for Cynthia's Pokemon, reveal it, and put it in your hand. Shuffle your deck. 40 for 1. 100 hit points. Very good. Tutoring is always, in any game, is good. Alright. And Cynthia's Garchomp, 330 HP. Beautiful full art promo card. Corkscrew Dive, 100 damage for 1 fighting energy, draw cards, you have 6 in your hand. And Conic Buster, 2 fighting, 260 damage, but you have to discard all energy in the Pokemon. Grass weakness is glaring, you got Grass Ogre Pond, and you got Hydrapple and a couple other things. No resistance. Free retreat is always a bonus. Alright, let's take a look at the acrylic sheet of standees. Very nice. Fun to play around with. And you got a swirly little backdrop to put them on. Photo sticker. Cynthia and her Garchomp springing into action. Alright. Oops, here's the 6 booster packs. Ooh, man. We got 2 Destined Rivals, A Journey Together, 2 Paradox Rift, and 3 Paradox Rift. Really? 3 Paradox Rift? Anyway, let's open up and start with the best for We have Steve's Beldums, Tattle, Ethan's Pichu, Yanma, Ariana, Manectric, Misty Psyduck, Foil Rockets Trantar, Ethan's Adventure, Orvin's Grievous. Second Miles. We have Mankey, Rockets Marie, Rockets Tarantula, Rockets Rattata, Rockets Hypno, Rockets Arbok, Rockets Rockin' here, Spike Booth Jim, Ethan's Pincer, Voltzel, Zamazenta. Journey together. I like veteran Death Royals.
You can win. You just have to high roll.
Lechonk, Kibone, Joltik and Joltik, Orvesta, Lillian's Pearl, Minette, Pangoro, Kecleon. Oh, that's a cute art card, Noibat. Oh man, look at that. He loves his Pecha Berry so much. It's so adorable. A couple more Noibats and I'm getting all duh up on it. There's a Lycanroc. Paradox Rift Packs. Early. Yep. Alright. Got Porygon, Seadra, Magby, Vanillite, Slitherwing, Furthorn, Persiduster, Foil Slithering, Foil Magby, and Lokix. Zubat, Gimagool, Purloin, Meanfu, Mela, Minior, Dondozo, Foil Tandemaus, Galvantula, and Volcanion. Last pack. Remoraid, Punkaboo, Zubat, Gimagool, Procolore, Tulip, Dondozo, Foil Onyx, Flittle, Gen Baby, Gen Pal. And that's about it for the, wait a minute, one more. Yeah. That's about it for the Cynthia's Garchomp EX Premium Collection. At least part one of this, part one of it. The next part, I'll take apart and assemble the acrylic standee sheet. Have a little fun with that. But anyway, next time, like, subscribe, leave a comment. We'll see you on the flip side. Peace.